Okay, in this question, Mary has a probability of 1 over 20 of winning the competition, 1 over 10 of finishing second, and 1 over 4 of finishing third. If she wins the competition, she gets €9,000. If she comes second, she gets €7,000, and if she comes third, she gets €3,000. In all other cases, she doesn't win anything. Each participant in the competition must pay €2,000 to enter. Find the expected value of Mary's loss if she enters the competition. Now, as we've seen before, the expected value can be thought of as the sum of all the outcomes multiplied by their probabilities. So if we look at all the different outcomes, she can win, and if she wins, she gets €9,000. So the outcome multiplied by the probability. So 1 over 20. If she finishes second, she gets €7,000. And the probability of finishing second is 1 over 10. And if she finishes third, she gets 3,000, and the probability of her finishing third is 1 over 4. Multiply all of those together and add them, and you get €1,900. Okay, so sorry, I'm just out of the screen there. So €1,900. However, she must pay €2,000 to enter. So if she pays €2,000 to enter and she's only expected to win €1,900, then her expected value would be €1,900 minus the cost of what she's expected to win, which is minus 100. So it's a €100 loss. In the second question, we're told now that each of the 3 prizes in the competition is increased by the same amount, €X, but the entry fee is unchanged. For example, if Mary wins the competition now, she would get €9,000 plus X. She now expects to break even. Find the value of X. So if she expects to break even, then the expected value is equal to €2,000 because that's the cost of her entry. So the outcome of €9,000 plus X, because each winner's prize has been increased by the same amount, which is €X. Her probability of winning remains unchanged, so it's 1 over 20. Finishing second, the prize is increased by €7,000, but it has increased by €X. However, her probability of winning it remains unchanged. And then third place is €3,000 plus the €X increase, but her probability of winning it remains 1/4. And all of that should now be equal to 2,000, which is her expected to break even. Now there's a number of different ways we can proceed from here. We can multiply everything by the common denominator, so multiply everything by 20, because 20, 10 and 4 all divide in, or you can multiply out the brackets. So whichever way you prefer to go from here, it's up to you. So I'll multiply out the brackets and we'll be able to add from there. So 9,000 multiplied by 1 over 20 gives me €450. So I've got 450 plus X over 20. Multiply 7,000 by 10, you get 700 plus X over 10. 300 by 1/4 is 750 plus X over 4. And that all equals €2,000. Now, add the numbers. So 450, 700 and 750, that gives you 1,900. So 1,900. Add the x's together, so just in your calculator you can do 1 over 20 plus 1 over 10 plus 1 over 4, and that should give you 8x over 20, I think it is, and that equals 2,000. So then finally, just to finish it off, you have 8x over 20 equals 100 euro. 2000 take away this 1900. And just simplifying, taking the 200 across and multiplying and dividing by the 8 gives you a value of X is 250 euro. So if each prize fund was increased by 250 euro, Mary would now break even.